Hi everyone, today's lesson involves making tables to solve algebra problems, and I just want to show you how to do that on the assessments site that you're going to be using. So the first problem on the problem set says Sullen and Tara are in 6th grade and both take dance lessons at Twinkle Toes Dance Studio. This is Sullen's first year while this is Tara's 5th year of dance lessons. Both girls plan to continue taking lessons throughout high school. Complete the table showing the number of years the girls will have danced at the studio. So you see the table outline that they've given you. The grades are on the side here, and it goes from 6th to 12th grade. And at the top, we see Sullen's years of experience dancing and Tara's years of experience dancing as well. And then the directions, it says create and fill in the table using the table button. And then down at the bottom, you have a workspace, and this is where the area that you have to answer the question. So what you have to do is click the table button, just like it says up here. You have to click this table button. And for this particular table, this has to be a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 table. So a 3 by 8 table. So when I click on my table icon down here, I'm going to click on table and I'm going to make a 3 by 8 table. And this is going to change depending on which problem you're answering. And so here I'm going to fill in my table with this information. Grade from 6th to 12th, and then at the top, Sullen's years of experience dancing and Tara's years of experience dancing. So grade, and I'm going to go 6th grade, seventh grade, and then fill the rest of that in, and then Sullen's years of experience dancing. And that's how I'm going to complete the table. And I'm just going to use the information here to finish, and using that it's Sullen's first year and it's Tara's 5th year. So you're going to have to use that information to fill in the rest of the table. There's a few problems in this lesson that you're going to have to complete tables for, and it's all going to be that same way. You're going to go right over here to this icon where it says table, and you're going to choose the appropriate number of rows and columns that you need for your table, and then fill it in however the problem asks you to complete it. And that's it.